Hi there. In this video, we are going to see how to create Zoom meeting using Zoom meeting API. So in the last video, we have seen how to refresh the access token. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link is in the description. For this video, we will walk through the API documentation, then jump into the code. So we will go to create meeting API. To create meeting, we have to make the post request to the Zoom meeting API. The Zoom meeting API will be API endpoint /users/user ID/meetings. So the meeting is created in the user's account whose user ID is specified in the parameter. So let's see the API documentation. It says that we can make 100 requests per day for a user. It means you can only create 100 meetings within 24 hours for a user. So it also says start URL is used for hosting the meeting. So you can start the meeting using the start URL. So the expiration time for the start URL is only 2 hours for the regular user. But the users who are created using the create user API, keeping the cust create as an option, the expiration time for the start URL will be 90 days. So the scope required to create the meeting is meeting right admin. So in the request parameter, we have to pass the user ID. This is the ID of the user which we have seen while getting user detail using the Zoom API. So if you haven't watched that video yet, the link will be in the description. And in the request body, we have to pass this object. So this object contains a lot more stuff, but we will be using only few attributes to create a normal meeting. So we will use the topic, the start time, the duration, and the agenda for now. So the topic will be of type string. So start time will be of this format. Please check the format properly. If we append ched, then the time zone will be taken as GMT. Otherwise, you can specify your own time zone in the time zone attribute. We can see here. So the time zone are specified by the Zoom itself. We can see the list of time zone and their IDs. So if you want any one of them, please go through the list. So the duration will be of type integer. We have to pass the meeting duration in the minutes, and the agenda is of type string. Once the response is successful, it will send the status code as 201 that is created, and we will be getting the following object as the response. So in this we will be having the meeting ID, the start time, duration, time zone, start URL, and the join URL. So this is the URL which you will be sharing with your participants to join the meeting. So here we can see we have to make the post request to this API endpoint. In the headers, we will be passing the following data. The content type. The value will be application/JSON. The authorization, whose value will be bearer and access token separated by space. So let's see the code now. This is the continuation of the last video. Please check out the last video to have the proper understanding of the flow of the application. So in the models, I have created a meeting model which is having topic, agenda, date, time, and duration. And I have added a meeting response.json which will store my meeting response once meeting is created successfully. I have added a simple form to collect the meeting details from the user. In the controller, I have added Zoom meeting controller which is having the action to create the meeting where the parameter is of type meeting. So here from the token file path, I am reading the token. From the user details path, I am reading the user details. And from the token, I am accessing the access token. From the user details, I am accessing the user ID. And I am converting my meeting model to the model specified by the Zoom. So which is having the topic, the agenda, the start time, and the format you can see is the same as the format specified in Zoom API documentation. And I am converting my meeting model to JSON string. Now I am creating a request having the following header, the content type whose value is application/JSON, authorization whose value is bearer and access token separated by space, and I am adding a parameter as request body, the JSON string, which is my meeting model. So now in the base URL, I am keeping the meeting URL, which I have added in my web config file. whose value is api.zoom.us/v2/users/ this is a replaceable token /meetings. Now in here and here I am passing the user ID. So we are making a post request here. Once the request is successful, we will be getting some status code. If that status code is created, that is 201, then we are writing the response in the meeting response path and we are redirecting back to the home page. So let's see how it works. So before seeing it, let's see how many meetings are there in my personal account. So as we can see, there are no meetings in here. Let's create a meeting now. So test meeting. This is some description. I'm creating it for 15th. My start time will be 14. It means 2 p.m. and the duration will be 60 minutes. So let's submit. So we can see we have got our meeting model here. The agenda is this is test meeting description. The date is 15th January 2021 and the time is 14. Duration is 60. This is in minute. The time is in 24-hour formats. So it is 2 p.m. So for my convenience, I have used the 24-hour format. So let's run and check what is the status code we are getting. So we can see status code is created and we can see our meeting response file. So this is empty for now. Let's run this and check. So we have navigated back to our home page and we can see our meeting response here. If I indentate it, then we can see the ID, the start URL and the join URL. Let's see is the meeting created in my account or not. Let's refresh. As we can see, a meeting is created with test meeting and the duration is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So if I click, I can see the description as well. So the description is this is the test meeting description as I have mentioned there. So now if I use my join URL, so I'll be able to join the meeting. So we can see it asks me to open the Zoom application. Yeah. So we can see the meeting is scheduled for 15 January 2021. Start time is 2 p.m. So this is my join meeting app URL. So let's check the start URL now. If you are having the start URL, you can start the meeting. I'm just copying this and pasting it in incognito tab so that we can check. So open the meeting, Zoom meeting. Now we can see we are able to start the meeting. So this is how meeting is created in the Zoom using the Zoom meeting API. That's it for this video. Hope you like the video. Please like and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.